Today, we are going to talk about an integration centre of excellence, like a cloud centre of excellence, but focused on integration. So let me have a look at some of the things you'd be looking at. With integration centre of excellence, one of the things you're trying to do is you're trying to achieve governance. You're trying to achieve some level of control. But at the same time, you want enablement, you want productivity. And those two things are always in some element of conflict. But if done right, we can achieve both, and we can achieve it in a great way. So on the governance side, some of the things we're looking at is what are the guardrails? What are we working inside so that we ensure that all the developers are playing in a safe place? There's the developer operating model, how are we doing sprints, how are we managing backlogs, how are we organising our work, how are we delivering it? There's the production operating model, we're developing applications and dropping them out there, but how are they going to live in the wild, how are they going to be supported? We've got test strategy, how do we know that what we've built meets requirements? Security, that's a massive one, how do we ensure that everything we build ultimately is secure? And then there's policy, all those other things that we put on top of that to say that we are controlling spend. Security also comes into that, but also are the right roles being able to do the right things at the right times. So there's a whole load of things we can put in place in terms of governance that give us that level of control. Now when we come to enablement, this is what we want. We want loads of productivity, we want people to deliver value, and the key thing here is for that to be really on a self-service basis. A big one is provisioning of environments. I mean, we've built our platform 345 Air to give you the ability to provision environments really quickly, but that they are secure and meet your guardrails. Patterns and practices. Have we solved this problem before? And if so, can I take a template and reuse that? And again, on a self-service basis. Tooling. What's our developer environment? What's our source control? What's our project management? All those things, can we deliver those on a self-service basis so that you can just pick that stuff up and use it? Developer support. Now, centres of excellence often go wrong when you've got people in their ivory tower pronouncing from on high what they think is best. Centres of excellence work really well when you've got really clever people whose job is to actually support the developers, support the delivery of value, rather than pronounce on what you can't do. It's like, here's what you can do, this is how you do it. So that developer support is a key part of it. And then finally, reporting. How do you know if you're doing well? How can you improve if you don't know where you are? So a consistent set of reporting tools built in a self-service way, that makes a great part of a centre of excellence. So that's just an idea for some of the things that you might want to put in place for your integration centre of excellence. You really want to do this, it makes you productive in a safe way. So talk to me and I can help you with that.